Hey friends, if camera roll folder is missing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So we have a script for you which is shell colon camera roll. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window, and then you can paste it here and hit enter. So this will automatically open the camera roll folder wherever it is, because it may have been shifted from the pictures folder to something else. So this is how you can open the camera roll folder, by typing the shell colon camera roll command in the run window. In 99% cases this will work. If not, then try uploading some videos from the camera roll so that it can replicate accordingly. And if that doesn't work either, then simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.